How to fix Android not receiving calls. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is make sure that you have the updated version of your phone. So just tap on the Play Store application on your device over here and tap on the search bar. Then tap on it and search for phone over here. Just make sure you have an updated version of the phone over here. As you check on it, you can just go back and then make a long press on the phone application. Then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, simply tap on the storage option. Here, you can just tap on Clear Cache, and if it's possible, you can clear data, but if not, then you can just clear the cache. Now you can go back and then check on the storage option that you have on your device, for which just go to the Settings application and then scroll down to Storage and make sure that you have enough storage on your device. Now you can just make a long press on power button and then tap on the reboot option and then restart the device, and that might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.